क्या तुम्हारे पास ये है? डू यू हैव दिस? डू यू हैव दिस? इसे मत छुओ। डोंट टच इट। डू नॉट टच इट। क्या तुम्हें मेरी आवाज़ सुनाई दे रही है? कैन यू हियर माई वॉइस? कैन यू हियर माई वॉइस? इसे बंद करो। टर्न इट ऑफ। टर्न इट ऑफ। क्या तुम तैयार हो गए? आर यू रेडी नाउ? आर यू रेडी नाउ? इसे साफ करो। क्लीन दिस। क्लीन दिस। क्या तुम्हें यह पसंद आया? डिड यू लाइक इट? डिड यू लाइक इट? इसे जल्दी करो। डू इट क्विकली। डू इट क्विकली। तुम्हें किससे शिकायत है? Whom do you have a complaint against? Whom do you have a complaint against? मेरी कार साफ सुथरी रहती है। My car stays clean. My car stays clean. मैं आज अकेले बाहर गया था। I went out alone today. I went out alone today. मेरी कार 1 साल पुरानी है। My car is 1 year old. My car is 1 year old. मैं अकेला महसूस नहीं करना चाहता। I don't want to feel alone. I do not want to feel alone. मेरी कार एक ब्रांडेड मॉडल है। My car is a branded model. My car is a branded model. मैं हमेशा अकेला नहीं रहता। I don't always stay alone. I do not always stay alone. मेरी कार पेट्रोल से चलती है। My car runs on petrol. My car runs on petrol. मैं अकेले फिल्म देखने गया था। I went to watch a movie alone. I went to watch a movie alone. मेरी कार हर दिन इस्तेमाल होती है। My car is used every day. My car is used every day. ये सब कैसे हुआ? How did all this happen? How did all this happen? मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सुन चुका हूँ। I have heard about you. I have heard about you. तुम कहाँ रह रहे हो? Where are you living? Where are you living? क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए है? Is this for you? Is this for you? मुझे थोड़ी देर सोचने दो। Let me think for a while. Let me think for a while. मैं इसे नहीं समझता। I don't understand it. I do not understand it. क्या ये ज़रूरी है? Is it necessary? Is it necessary? मुझे थोड़ी मदद चाहिए। I need a little help. I need a little help. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मुझे बताओ कि क्या करना है। Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. क्या हम बात कर सकते हैं? Can we talk? Can we talk? ये कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? मुझे यह जानना है। I want to know this. I want to know this. तुम क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? What do you think? क्या ये आसान है? Is this easy? Is this easy? मुझे जवाब दो। गिव मी एन आंसर, गिव मी एन आंसर। तुम किसका इंतज़ार कर रही हो? Whom are you waiting for? Whom are you waiting for? मैं तुम्हें कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ। I want to show you something. I want to show you something. तुम क्या खोज रही हो? What are you searching for? What are you searching for? क्या ये संभव है? Is it possible? Is it possible? मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ। I am thinking about it. I am thinking about it. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? मुझे यकीन है कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा। I am sure everything will be fine. I am sure everything will be fine. ये मामला जटिल है। This matter is complicated. This matter is complicated. सब कुछ साफ साफ समझा दो। Explain everything clearly. Explain everything clearly. ये मेरे जैसा ही है। This is just like me. This is just like me. अभी सब स्थिर है। Everything is stable right now. Everything is stable right now. ये वैसा क्यों है? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? सब ठीक करने की कोशिश करो। Try to make everything right. Try to make everything right. ये मामला छोटा नहीं है। This issue is not small. This issue is not small. सब लोग खुश हैं। यह अच्छी बात है। Everyone is happy. That's a good thing. Everyone is happy. That's a good thing. ये पूरी तरह नया है। This is completely new. This is completely new. सब कुछ अच्छे से हो जाएगा। Everything will go well. Everything will go well. ये आपके जैसा है। This is like you. This is like you. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do? What can I do? क्या तुम अभी फ्री हो? Are you free right now? Are you free right now? क्या तुम मेरी बात से सहमत हो? Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? मुझे तुम्हारा उत्तर चाहिए। I want your answer. I want your answer. मैं गलत था। I was wrong. I was wrong. मैं खुद से नाराज हूँ। I am angry with myself. I am angry with myself. मुझे चिंता हो रही है। I am getting worried. I am getting worried. मैं तुम्हें खोना नहीं चाहता। I don't want to lose you. I do not want to lose you. मैं खुद को साबित करूंगा। I will prove myself. I will prove myself. मुझे कुछ कहना है। I have something to say. I have something to say. मैं बेहतर बनना चाहता हूँ। I want to be better. I want to be better. क्या तुम मुझे माफ़ कर सकते हो? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? मुझे डर लग रहा है। I am feeling scared. I am feeling scared. मुझे लगता है यह ठीक है। I think it's fine. I think it's fine. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्यों। I want to know why. I want to know why. क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? Do you want to ask me something? Do you want to ask me something? मुझे इसका मतलब समझाओ. Explain the meaning to me. Explain the meaning to me. क्या ये तुम्हें पसंद है? Do you like it? Do you like it? मुझे तुम्हारी राय चाहिए. I need your opinion. I need your opinion. क्या तुम मुझसे खुश हो? Are you happy with me? Are you happy with me? मुझे यह सवाल पसंद है. I like this question. I like this question. मुझे यह करना पड़ेगा. I will have to do it. I will have to do it. मैं तुमसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ. I apologize to you. I apologize to you. मैं यहाँ सुरक्षित हूँ. I am safe here. I am safe here. मुझे बहुत दुख है. I am very sorry. I am very sorry. मैं जवाब नहीं दे सकता. I can't answer. I can't answer. मैं नहीं जानता कि क्या करना है. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. सुनो, यह महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय है. Listen, this is an important decision. Listen, this is an important decision. मैं अकेला महसूस कर रहा हूँ. I feel alone. I feel alone. क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand me? Can you understand me? ये बात सच लगती है. This seems true. This seems true. सब लोग खुश दिख रहे हैं. Everyone seems happy. Everyone seems happy. सब कुछ आपके नियंत्रण में है. Everything is under your control. Everything is under your control. ये वैसा नहीं है जैसा मैंने सोचा था. This is not as I thought. This is not as I thought. यहाँ सब सामान्य है. Everything is normal here. Everything is normal here. ये सब किस तरह हुआ? How did all this happen? How did all this happen? मुझे लगता है कि सब अच्छा होगा. I think everything will be good. I think everything will be good. ये बिल्कुल गलत है. This is completely wrong. This is completely wrong. सब कुछ उम्मीद से बेहतर हुआ. Everything turned out better than expected. Everything turned out better than expected. ये वैसे ही दिखता है जैसे तुमने बताया था. It looks exactly as you described. It looks exactly as you described. अब कोई परेशानी नहीं है. There is no problem now. There is no problem now. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है कि सब ठीक है? Are you sure everything is fine? Are you sure everything is fine? ये मामला गंभीर है. This matter is serious. This matter is serious. मुझे नहीं पता कि आगे क्या करना है. I don't know what to do next. I don't know what to do next. तुम्हें किस चीज़ की चिंता है? What are you worried about? What are you worried about? ये क्यों हो रहा है? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ. I want to ask you something. I want to ask you something. क्या तुम समझ सकते हो? Can you understand? Can you understand? क्या ये तुम्हारा बैग है? Is this your bag? Is this your bag? इसे सही करो. Fix it. Fix it. क्या तुम्हें चाय चाहिए? Do you want tea? Do you want tea? इसे लिख लो. Write it down. Write it down. इसे मत भूलो. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. क्या तुम्हें भूख लगी है? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? क्या तुम्हें समझ में आया? Did you understand? Did you understand? इसे ध्यान से पढ़ो. Read it carefully. Read it carefully. क्या तुम्हें मदद चाहिए? Do you need help? Do you need help? मुझे कुछ और चाहिए. I need something else. I need something else. क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see? Did you see? तुम किसके साथ गए थे? Who were you with? Who were you with? मुझे सब बातें जाननी है. I want to know everything. I want to know everything. तुम्हें क्या पसंद नहीं है? What don't you like? What do not you like? यहाँ कौन कुछ गलत कर रहा है? Who is doing something wrong here? Who is doing something wrong here? आप किस पर विश्वास करते हैं? Whom do you trust? Whom do you trust? यहाँ कौन सी बात छुपाई जा रही है? What is being hidden here? What is being hidden here? आपकी समस्या किससे जुड़ी है? Who is your problem related to? Who is your problem related to? यहाँ ऐसे क्या हो गया? What has happened here? What has happened here? यहाँ क्या निर्णय लिया गया है? What decision has been made here? What decision has been made here? So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.